Okay, hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tradespeople's Tips. Today what we have this little this unit here that it just keeps letting water in, it's not cutting it off. So we're gonna replace it for this one. We bought one, it comes in a package. Apparently they don't sell the whole thing. Don't sell a singular thing, so you're gonna end up buying the whole thing. Right, now, first thing we do is, you see this little valve here, just there, that screw? If you turn it one way, it will keep turning. So you just turn it and listen to your water. Better still look at it, and once you see the water stop running, you stop turning there, so just turn it slowly. And then we gotta go underneath there now. I don't know if you can see it through there. Just behind there, there's a nut. You can see the reflection against the wall. We've got to undo that nut. And at the bottom here, there's a threaded plastic bolt. There's going to be a seal somewhere to seal that. So we're going to scoop out all the water. We've shut our water off. We've flushed the lavatory and we have some water left. So we're going to get rid of all of that before we undo just down there. Otherwise, it's going to be a wet floor. And then we'll get back to you, okay? See you in a minute. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is where we're at. I don't know if you can see it. I really can see it. Try to get my camera back there a bit. There you go. That's the pipe. See the pipe coming down? And back to our lock-off valve. Just there. So we undo that one first. And then we've got to try and see that white one at the top? That's the one we got to try and undo, but at the moment it seems to be very tight, so we need something else we can get on there to undo that. And yeah, it has to be, otherwise you will get leaks. So we're gonna continue and see what we can find to undo that. At the moment I'm trying to work with a screwdriver, but even if we get it off, to get it back tight enough, it's going to be a problemo. Well, yeah. If I can do it, so can you. Alright? Catch you in a minute. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is where we've unscrewed our nut at the bottom. There it is. Unscrew that. And that, we've unscrewed it, like I said. That comes off like that. Take note of which way up the washer goes. See, it's got like a curve on there, so that kind of like sinks into the bowl, and on the other side it's the opposite way around, which shows that it's a flat edge. You can see the marking in there, which tells you that one goes around that way. Okay, so that's unscrews from there, and it's a standard size fitting on there. Right, next one you have is this one. So you take this one off, again making sure it's the right way around when you fit it back. That way it will just sit back in where it's supposed to be. This bit here, if you hold onto here and you turn here, it's adjustable. Again, you can see it on there. So what we've done, we've measured them up and got them roughly to the same height. So we're going to plunk this one back in now and give it a test run. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, there it is, all fitted. Our water is up, but what I will advise you to do is, what I've done is, once I had it all fitted, I got a small container, something like that. You just want a little bit of water in the bottom before you turn your main feed back on, just to check for leaks. And once you've done that, you come underneath here. You've connected up your pipes. There's no need for me to show you how to connect the pipes. Just do the opposite to what you did, taking them off. Okay, and you just get your hand around it. I can't get my hand around it with the camera. Can I? Yeah, you just feel around it, and your hand should come out dry. Okay, but you've first got to dry it off. Any water that may have been there before, just dry it off. Just try and do this on the reflection. Yeah, there you go. All bone dry. Right, once you've done that, you turn your water back on. You turn your water back on, then check that it's dry. Then you water fill your tank up, this screw on top of here is to adjust the water level. So if I push it down, see, it start letting more water in. You see the water coming in around the side there. So if I push that down, see water coming in, and that's what this is for. So if you want your water a bit higher, or if it's coming up too high, you adjust it by there. And that's about it. Your lid just lifts off, press back, lift, put back on. So let me just do that for you. 1 second, need two hands because these things, you don't want to crack them, drop them, anything like that. See you in a sec. Okay, here we go. Let's give it a test. There we go, that's working just fine. Right, the one we took out is this one. The one we fitted, as you could see, is completely different. So they're interchangeable. If which how I do not know, so I cannot swear for it. But as we always say on Tradespeople's Tips, if you're out there robbing people, stop doing it. Okay, till next time. See you later. Have a nice Christmas. Bye bye.